Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make a homemade jelly squishy, step by step. First, let's gather our simple ingredients and tools. You will need unflavored gelatin, water, and a few drops of food coloring for vibrancy. Also, prepare a heat-safe bowl, a whisk, and your chosen silicone mold. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring a fun crafting experience from the very beginning. Let's get started on this delightful project. Now, let's prepare our jelly base. Begin by blooming 2 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin in 1/2 cup of cold water for about 5 minutes. This softens it. Next, gently heat 1 cup of water until it's simmering, but not boiling. Add the bloomed gelatin to the warm water, stirring continuously with your whisk. Keep stirring until the gelatin is completely dissolved and the liquid appears perfectly clear and smooth. This ensures a consistent texture for your squishy. With our jelly base ready, it's time to add some personality. Carefully add a few drops of your favorite food coloring to the warm gelatin mixture. Stir gently until the color is evenly distributed and you achieve your desired vibrant shade. Next, pour the colored liquid into your clean, dry silicone mold. You can use any fun shape you like, from animals to geometric designs. Fill the mold almost to the top, leaving a small space for expansion. The final step is patience. Place your filled mold into the refrigerator for at least 4 hours. For best results, leaving it overnight ensures it's perfectly firm and holds its shape well. Once completely set, carefully demold your jelly squishy. You might need to gently pull the edges of the silicone mold away from the jelly. And there you have it, your very own homemade jelly squishy, ready for some gentle, satisfying squishing fun.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.